Hello, amazing people. Once again, I welcome you on my channel Tech with Ms. Raji. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, you can subscribe it now and support it and encourage my content by liking and sharing my videos. So you must be wondering what is the topic for today, as you have already read in the title, but this is something about Open Graph or OG images. Most of you must have been wondering what OG is and how really this works, where this is helpful, and how we can use it on our website. So let's begin. What I really mean by OG images is it's an open graph. OG is open graph. And if you look at the definition here, it says it's an Internet protocol that was originally created by Facebook to standardize the use of metadata within a page to represent the content of a page. What do you mean by that? If you look into the detail of what people are asking and what the answer is, so according to the Google, an open graph or OG image is the image that appears on when you post your website links or video content on your social accounts. So this is really helpful when you're trying to create a content, share a content on social media website which already exists on your website, and then you want to show some image which is not a part of your website, which is not visible. And this works really well with Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. Let's get into the detail how exactly we can take advantage of it. So let me show you the example. It's a live example. Let's say this is a website iOS relocations. So they are really into immigration services and all, and I'm not doing any sponsorship by them. It's just an example because I worked on this website, so I know I did this work for them. So I know. So on this page, if you really take a look and see that this is the only image which you see there with all the content, everything is text content, but just one image. What happens if I really try to share it on social media? See, the title is International Relocation Services for Expats to blah blah blah. When I say create post, I create it on Facebook and I share this link. What really happens? Yep. So you see, this image is appearing and this title is appearing. Where this image is coming from, you must be wondering. So this is where you see I open this page source. I open this here, and if you take a look at this OG details, these are the details which I have embedded in the code for them to really work it on social media. Facebook, what this image is, this is the image, this one I copy paste it here. So this is the actual image which works only on social media. This is the advantage of having OG image. Along with that, there are many other things which what description you want, what URL you want to show, what OG title it will be. It can be different from the page title, but we are trying to encourage our audience by showing the same title. We are promoting our own business. So we'll write the same title. That's the best practice to do, and that's it. That's how you make advantage of OG image. And how does this really helps? That's the last thing in SEO, because SEO, on page SEO, there are many concerns people have around it. If you have any queries, if you need any service, just comment on this video and I can help you on a very minor fees. So what this does for SEO, this open graph or OG image is particularly useful if you have more than one URL for the same content and want to designate one for all your social shares. This tag will dictate the canonical URL of a page. That's how you write it. and that's the advantage you have. And there are many